Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we've done a little bit with math here, so now let's jump back with a string. So a couple videos ago I showed you how to add a asterisk between all the letters of the alphabet. We used ASCII and things like that. So now let me show you a different technique, and we're going to learn about a new method, join. So let's just look at this. So alright, dr string. Alright, let's see, there it is, join. So alright, help join. So okay, you have an iterable, it returns, so it's going to create something, and it puts the separator between the elements in string. Okay, so now that you see this, let me show you what it actually does. So alright, we want to go and put an asterisk between these. So now let's look at new list ABC. So we do new, oops, where'd my cursor go? So alright, so now I have my ABC in a list. And now you go, well, now what are we going to do? So now we're going to, and this is how join works. So you're going to call join, and we're going to go back to ABC. This is going to look weird, and I get it. Took me a while to see this too. So alright, so here's your string that you want to add to the iterable, and the iterable is anything that can iterate over a list or a string. And lo and behold, we have a list. So now let's run this, and let's call ABC again. So now we have our asterisk here, and this would go in between. So now we need to add, it's not quite right because we want an asterisk after the C. So this is how we would do that. Now let's run this one more time. So lo and behold, there we are. So this is how we can do this and not have to do any for loops, and just let Python use the techniques that it has and the rules that it understands for us to abide by them. So let's go over this one more time. We took a string, we broke it down, because when you want to break down a specific string not on white spaces, you use list. And if you want to break down words on white spaces, so if you had a whole list and you wanted to break down the words, you'd use split. But if you wanted to then go into that and separate a list of characters, a string of characters on non-white spaces, you'd want to use list. So you'd break them up one at a time. So then if we want to join them back with a specific character over and over and over again, I like join, and then we slap this at the end of it, and there we go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.